Hi, everybody. So we're going to do number 6 now. So number 6, state the score that's the cutoff for each of the following. All right, so we're looking for the top percent, the bottom percent, the top percent, the top percent, the bottom percent. So I've made a little chart to tell us what sort of to do. So what you want to do is you want to find out if you're going left or right, if it's to the top or to the bottom. All right, we're looking for that cutoff. Then find the column you want, whether you're going from the mean to z or whatever, and then find that percent. Translate that into a z-score, and then make note of whether it's a positive or negative based on what you're looking at. All right, so the first question, I've sort of written these down here. So the first one was the top 5%. All right, so the top 5% is 3414, and then, you've got like 2 on, right? So somewhere in here, it's going to be more than 2, right? That's 2, but that's 14, so that's too much. So it's somewhere in here between 1 and 2, top 5%, and we're looking for the area beyond z. And so top 5% area beyond z, this column, I'm going to take the 0.0505, okay? And that's going to give me a z of 1.64, okay? So the z of 1.64, that's all I've asked you for. There's nothing more to do. Then it says, what's the z value that's the bottom? 2.5%, all right? So it's just going to slightly, right, be over the 2, somewhere in there, okay? And we've done this before on a previous problem, so you sort of know where we're going with this. So 2.5 is right here. The area beyond z is 0.0250, so 2.5%, and that's going to be 1.96. And it says the bottom, so it's 1.96 negative. That's the answer to B, okay? All right, then C is a little more tricky because it says the top 69.5%. All right, well, the thing that we need to know is we're looking for the top, okay, and 69%. Well, if I'm looking for the top, I'm going to take all of this, so it's plus 50. Then I need 19.5% here, so it's going to somewhere be in there, and I need to know the 19.5% from mean to z to give me this extra area that I need. All right, so the top 69 points, so I'm looking for 19.5% there, okay? So looking for 19.5% on the chart here. All right, so we're looking for, in this case, we just need this extra, so that's the area between the mean and z. And I'm looking for 19.5%. So 19.5% area between mean and z, 19.49. All right, so 19.5% is right there. That gives me a z-score of 0.51. Okay, so 0.51 is the cutoff to say that you were in the top 69.5%. Okay, now D and E say, what is the top 50% of scores, right? Okay, the top 50% of scores, the Z is 0, okay? And then the bottom 15% of scores, okay, would be the same. So in both of those cases, D and E both have Z's of 0, okay? So that's number 6.